Cliff's Amusement Park, a beloved Albuquerque institution, began its journey in 1959 as a humble roadside attraction called Uncle Cliff's Kiddyland. Founded by Cliff and Zella Hall, it initially featured simple rides geared towards young children. As Albuquerque grew, so did Cliff's. In the 1960s and 70s, the park expanded, adding more thrilling rides and attractions, transforming from a simple kiddie park into a full-fledged amusement destination. The Big Coaster, now known as the New Mexico Rattler, became a landmark, solidifying Cliff's reputation for adrenaline-pumping experiences. Throughout the decades, Cliff's has remained a family-owned and operated park, constantly evolving with new rides, improvements, and a focus on providing a fun, safe environment. From its modest beginnings to its current status as a premier entertainment spot, Cliff's Amusement Park has woven itself into the fabric of Albuquerque's history, creating cherished memories for generations of New Mexicans.